Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'll be showing us how to make the one side fan autogele. This beautiful design you're seeing on the screen at the moment. My name is DoliveB. If you're new on this channel, welcome. If you're not new, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click subscribe, tap the bell icon and make sure you enable the option to receive all notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay friends, without wasting much of your time, let's go into today's tutorial. Please, you need to watch my video on how to make an autogele perfectly. I mean this particular one you're seeing at the moment. If you have not watched my video, please go ahead and watch the video. I'll put the link in the description box.
I have made the pleated part as seen on the screen, and I'm going to post the measurement I used to achieve the pleated part. Alright, so we want to add the fan part to this. I used 6 layers to achieve the pleated part, 6 layers of ashoke. I will write out the measurement I used. After pleating your autogele like this, or finishing up your pleated part, we're going to attach the side fan there. I'm going to place my fan from the middle to the side I touched. You decide on where you want your fan to get to. The ashoke I used here is called Grantex, and the measurement I used for the fan is 60 inches. I folded both edges in and I sew. Now I want to start pleating my layer, and I just fold it in like that and I start pleating. I start pleating it like this. I'm just going to pleat the whole layer like that. I'll pleat it like that all the way down. I keep pleating. I adjust while I pleat. I make sure that they are well arranged or they align properly. I keep pleating like that till I get to the end of the layer. Now friends, I'm through pleating as you can see. So I just apply pressure, I press it down. Because I am using Grantex ashoke, it tends to stay. But if you're using other type of ashoke like super net, you may need to use your iron to press it down a little. I pass my needle through my pleated frame just to keep it in place for the meantime. Then I'm going to attach it to my pleated autogele frame. Please watch what I'm doing. It's very easy. I place it on where I want it to start from. I count about 6 pleats for a start and I pin it down. I place it there and I use my office pins to hold it down. I use my pins to hold it down like that. The needle serves as a guide for me. Then I start releasing my pleats. I start removing it from the needle little by little and I arrange. I pin it down on that part too. I pin down that part to my pleated frame. Pin it down there. Never mind if it actually comes off. There are lines already on the ashoke which serve as guideline. So I just keep arranging like that. Look at the way I'm arranging it. I release the needle, I remove it totally. I remove the needle from it totally. And I just keep arranging it like that. As you can see, the lines already gives a guideline, so I just keep arranging. I keep arranging like that. I keep arranging like that. You will notice that I gather up the parchment for the middle and I hold it down with my fingers while I drop the pleatment for the other side. So I just drop it like that. Now the next thing I'm doing is to use my needle and thread to tack the middle part. I'm going to use it to tack the middle part. Just watch what I'm doing. Just tack it like that so that it will stay. I take my needle through just some pleats on that middle part, not all at once. So I pin it down on the right hand side, I pin it down to on the left. I keep pinning down more pleats to the left and the right to make it stand. It has to stand. Let me tell you friends, this kind of design is just all about arranging it on the right hand side, left hand side, and tacking it on the middle to make sure it stands. I'm just going to tack it properly at the middle and also at the back. I really do not want this video to be too long, and at the same time I want to make sure that we get it. So just tack properly, that is just it. Just watch what I'm doing, guys. So guys, I just tack properly, and even at those points I inserted my pins. I'm going to take them off and tack them properly, and as you can see, it stands. I take off the office pins and I tack at those points. I'm going to tack. I just tack properly, just tack like that. With my B6000 glue, I'm going to attach my applique. I got this applique for about 1000 naira here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm just going to attach with my glue.
And guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.